Yeah, man.
What's going on in Saginaw?
My.
These
A few gray hairs, huh?
I'm recording you, by the way, Zachary.
Why?
No. Because it's a video that I wanted to. Your hair is everywhere. Let's go downstairs.
Zachary, what?
Huh?
Said where to?
Ryan. We just fought over a pillow.
Stupid video. We're making a video series called Stupid Videos.
He's the crazy one of the family. No offense. Can I have my pet? Hey. Have it.
Basically, we fought over a pillow and brush talks.
Sorry.
Basically, we fought over this pillow. Basically, we fought over this pillow and brush talks. You have to see the video.
Zach's like, I don't want to be seen.
Not like me, you know?
I'm not recording anymore, by the way. Sam.
You have the exact same hairstyle as me. See, it's recording.
Yes, I know.
You have your own laptop? Is that yours? Whose is it?
My grandpa's.
I never noticed. But you have
You're so shy. Say hi.
No.
Please.
By the way, you've never met me.
Say hi. Dude, I've met. Do it again.
Hello. By the way, I'm not the crazy one. My Uncle Fred is.
Okay.
Who's Uncle Fred?
My had brother.
I've never met him.
No, you haven't. He lives in Canada.
Hello.
Hey.
In your face, literally. Food. Food. Did you know we're having ostrich instead of turkey?
Donkey. Have you ever had alligator turkey?
No.
Good.
That's mean to alligators.
Still tasty.
You're such a brat. I'm just kidding.
What? You suck at
You can go
videotaping.
record things now. Not me. Kidding. You're recording not.
Say something, everyone. Get out of my face. What?
Brat.
What? No expression at all. But he has the exact same hairstyle as me. I never noticed.
He's 13.
Yeah. And? You're saying?
I don't know.
Okay, this isn't going to how to land on weird videos unless we do something crazy.
Okay.
What?
I think that's crazy enough for me.
Die.
You better be back. Just kidding.
Alright, we wrap this episode of Stupid Videos.